Probably a stupid thing to do, but I've decided to go down to Bicester Heritage for Sunday Scramble. Let's see how bad it gets as we head towards Oxford. I hear it's quite bad. So I'm on the Bedford bypass now. Not going very quick because it is pretty slippery. It's still quite early. The sun's only really just come up. It's 1 degree. You can see on this side, people have been using this side going quite slowly, and in the fast lane, there's still quite a lot of standing snow. It's not too bad, but because it's so cold, the tyres are so cold, and this van's got massive wheels on it with massive tyres. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I'm having fun. I ain't been out of the house for ages. So let's crack on. There is not a lot of traffic on the road. I think everybody sort of, yep, looked out the window and gone, yeah, I'm not going anywhere today. Look out there, look. Bit of a dusting. Not a lot. Not a lot of snow. Bit of a dusting. But the roads are slippery. But the trusty transit's coping. Got somebody going stupidly slowly. So I'm going to have to go into the rough side now. Oh, fucking hell. See what I mean? That's the frozen side, this side. Jesus Christ. I was standing, look. Fucking idiot. Oh, did you hear it when I went over the rough bit? Oh, it's proper frozen in the centre. Making progress. The snow hasn't hampered us too much. But I'm toasty warm in the transit, got a heated seat on. And it's like Barbados in here. Might have to take my coat off. Coming out of Milton Keynes now, it's getting worse. Oh, it's getting a lot worse. They've had a lot more snow here. Feel sorry for anybody bringing their classic to Bicester at the moment. Oh my god, look. Yeah. It's been quite heavy here. Look at that. Field to covered. Back in Cambridgeshire, it weren't like that, and it weren't like this. And it's so foggy. I'd have been coming down here about probably about 7 o'clock in the morning. I bet this road was covered in snow this morning. So I wonder how many people just went, yeah, sod this, and went back. Get some fuel in the van. God, it's cold. See that? Oh, way more snow here. Look at that, stopped it dead on. I'll never get that right. Somebody's had some fun in there, look. Went in there to pay for the fuel. And there is like literally nothing left. The cigarette counter and everything smashed to bits. Uh-oh. Fucking hell, massive flood in the road. Did you hear that? The car was coming up the other side. I couldn't come across to avoid it. Very slow progress making to Bicester. I think we're probably about 4 miles away now. But look, the fog. You just can't see shit. Normally you'd see at least one classic car while driving about this close to Bicester. I have not seen a thing, unsurprisingly. The fog is so dense. So I parked out in a little spot just down the road from the rear gate. Loads of people in there, 4x4s, sensible people. A lot of them little chimney things. So I found nice little money there.